say that.
Aren't you an unbeliever? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an unbeliever, but yeah.
It's a little bit too fluent.
No, don't say that.
So,
JJ, hold on. I can prove that this is not true.
Oh, he's a believer? You know he's a believer?
Yeah.
Okay.
JJ, do you think that murder is wrong?
Yep.
Yeah.
Welcome
So
home.
in the Bible, it says that God,
There you go.
says that God wrote the laws of man on his heart. So the whole total depravity thing, because you said that you do believe that murder is wrong, isn't entirely accurate.
She just dismantled Calvinism in one.
Yeah,
30 seconds.
Sons, you're going to have to defend yourself here.